Hey, what's up everyone? I am back, this time having a look at C minor, the relative minor of E flat major. We need to remember that for this scale we are sharing the key signature of E flat major, so we'll have three accidentals. We'll have B flat, E flat and A flat. But we have to remember that with the harmonic scale the seventh degree will be raised. Since the seventh degree of C minor is B flat, we'll be raising it and making it a natural, meaning that we will play B natural, both ascending and descending, since we're not doing the melodic just yet, so it's the same in both directions. But before we start, please remember, if you like the video, hit the subscribe button, check the bell notification, leave me a comment, and yes, let's start with one octave and separately, then together. For the C minor scale, we will be using standard fingering. We're going to use 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Since we are starting on a white key, no need to start on the second or third in order to make sure that we don't run out our fingers. So starting on C, one octave, right hand, I'm going to play the following. I'm going to play C, D, E flat, 5 on to F, G, A flat, now not B flat, B. Quite a stretch there, ending on my fifth for the one octave, 2, 1, third finger over to E flat, left hand starting on C, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, third finger over, remembering B, coming back, and there we have the scale hands separately. Doing it hands together. Both thirds on A flat, E, C. Thumb underneath in the left, third finger over. For 2 octaves, we'll just be copying and pasting those fingers. Let's do that separately first. Thumb on C, 4 on B, strange how it always feels different when we descend. It feels like a completely new scale, but actually we're just doing the opposite. Left hand, this one really feels strange to me when it descends, especially in the left hand. Doing it hands together. It really isn't difficult. We just have to kind of just remember where the flat sit, where we have to move our fingers. But yeah, that's what makes it a little bit tricky sometimes. Moving on to how Hanon intends us to play this 4 octaves with a repeat. We're going to start nice and low. Moving to the cadence, when we get down to C, we're going to move all the way up, left hand to F. We're going to play D, A flat and C in the right, followed by G, and we're going to do E flat, G and C. Remembering the B flat is natural, meaning that we're going to play D, F, G and B. Downward movement with that octave, and finally we're going to end with C, E flat flat, G, and C. Let's have a look at that one more time. Up to F. Remembering now when we move down, no accidentals, finishing with C, E flat, G, and C. And that is the C minor harmonic scale. Thanks so much for watching, and see you soon for the melodic.